How to make a spiral potato cutter. DIY spring potato machine. As you take them off the heat, let the spirals rest for a moment on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil, enhancing their crunchiness. Meanwhile, set out bowls for your chosen sauces, ensuring each guest can indulge in their favorites. Once drained, arrange the spiral potatoes with care on your serving platter, creating a visually appealing centerpiece filled with twisty, golden goodness. As you step back to admire your creation, the savory aroma of fried potatoes fills the air, mingling with the anticipation of your guests. Each spiral is a testament to your culinary skills, inviting everyone to gather around and savor the moment together. With a smile, you gesture for them to dig in, eager to see their delighted expressions as they taste the crispy, flavorful spirals. With laughter and chatter filling the room, you watch as each guest eagerly takes a spiral potato, their eyes lighting up with joy. The first bite elicits a chorus of satisfied murmurs, some even posing questions about your cooking technique. You share secret tips like the importance of a steady hand and the right oil temperature, making the experience not just about eating, but also about connection and learning. As the platter begins to empty, you feel pride swell in your chest, knowing you've created not just a dish, but a memorable gathering that will linger long after the last bite is taken. With the last few spirals disappearing, you can't help but reflect on the joy this simple dish has brought. Everyone is sharing stories, laughter, and even a few cooking tips of their own, creating an atmosphere brimming with warmth and camaraderie. As the evening winds down, you gather the empty plates and remnants of the sauce, feeling a sense of fulfillment wash over you. You've not only satisfied hunger, but also fostered connection among friends and family. It's moments like these, filled with flavor and conversation, that truly nourish the soul and make gatherings unforgettable. As the night comes to a close, you find yourself cherishing the laughter that echoed through the kitchen, mingling with the delightful memories made around the table. Each spiral potato not only satisfied appetite, but also sparked connections and conversations that will be cherished long after the dishes are cleared away. It's these moments of shared joy, ignited by simple acts of creativity and love, that truly feed the spirit and create lasting bonds, reminding you of the incredible power of home-cooked meals to bring people together. With plates cleared and laughter still resonating, you take a moment to appreciate the beauty of community through food, seeing how each spiral potato was not just a treat, but a catalyst for shared smiles and stories. As you gather your tools and clean up, a warm glow fills your heart, knowing that tonight, your kitchen was the heart of joy and connection, and you can't wait to recreate this magic again. The evening shadows dance softly in the fading light, as you reminisce about the fun and joy that these spiral potatoes have sparked. Each bite taken was not merely about flavor, it wove its way into the fabric of cherished moments and laughter shared. As you turn off the kitchen lights, the echoes of laughter and conversation linger warmly in your mind, a reminder that in sharing simple meals, you've crafted memories that will always be cherished. In the end, it's these moments that truly make life delicious and meaningful.